Hello everyone. How are you? Are you studying? Good, good. Last time we studied the pilgrims warming up. Today we shall study the poem. What is the name of the poem? The Pilgrim. What is the name of the poem? The Pilgrim. Okay. Let us read this poem and let us learn this poem. What is in by pilgrim? Pilgrim is a person who travels for religious work. Okay, religious work, just like uh, a person who goes to a far away place, temple, church, mosque, Makkah, Medina. Yes, like this. Huh? There they go. There they go and they worship the God. Okay, those people are called pilgrims. Okay, so I will read the poem and I will explain the poem. A pilgrim going a lone highway came at evening, cold and grey, to a chasm deep and vast and wide. The old man crossed in twilight dim. A pilgrim, he was alone, he was lonely, nobody was there. And where he was walking on the highway. And what was the time? Evening time, and it was cold also. It was cold. Gray means there was a very little light. To chasm, to a chasm deep and vast and wide. Chasm means pit or ditch. Khadda. We say khadda, na? That is. He came near that chasm. The old man crossed in the twilight dim, and he crossed it. Yes, he crossed that pit or that chasm. Successfully he crossed. And what happened? The chasm held no fear for him. Yes, and that chasm did not show him any kind of fear. Yes, but what happened? But he paused. He stopped there. He paused when he reached the other side and built a bridge to span the tide. When he reached other side, he built a bridge on that chasm. Yes, the old man, the old pilgrim. What work does he have? Why should he build that bridge? Yes, why should he build? Yes, here is the answer. Old man said, a fellow pilgrim near, why waste your time in building here? Then there was a chasm and there was a fellow man. Okay, there was a fellow man. Fellow man means what? Who was traveling with him. Who was traveling with him. Right? That person is called fellow. He was also walking. And he asked, why did you waste your time? Because afterwards, you will never come on this bridge. You will never come on this bridge. So why did you waste your time? Why did you do like this? Your journey ends with the close of the day. You never come again, will pass this way. You will never again will pass this way. You have crossed the chasm deep and wide. You have crossed without any getting hurt or without getting any harm. Why build here at even tide? In the evening, why did you do like this? In the evening only you have tide. You have built. You have built this bridge on the chasm. Now here one thing I want to tell you. When any stone is there on the road, big stone. Just take an example. Have you ever thought to pick up and to throw other side or to keep other side? Have you ever thought? Yes, we never think. We say, let it be. It is not my duty. It is not my duty. But just wait for 1 second and think. If you do not remove that stone, and if any other person comes on bike or by walking also, he may fall, huh? After colliding with that, after colliding with that uh, stone. Yes. So it is our duty. Whenever you see such things, at that time we have to remove such hurdles, such obstacles from the road, so that other people should not suffer. Same thing here, that pilgrim thought that other people should not suffer. Now let us see. The pilgrim raised his old gray head. He raised like this. He did. And he said, "My friend, in the path I have come," he said, "in the path I have come, there followed after me today a fair haired youth who must pass the way. After me, there are many young people. They are coming, and they will follow me, means they will come from this way. The chasm which held no fear for me to the fair haired youth may a pitfall be, and the chasm which was not any kind of fear for me, it can become a difficulty or a trap. Trap means uh, yes, fasna. Yes, fasna. Trap means fasna. That youth may be trapped in that chasm. He too must cross in twilight dim, and he must cross this chasm very safely in this twilight. He must not suffer any kind of harm. He must not get any kind of hurt. Let him, let them, let such young people cross this chasm successfully, safely. My friend, I am building this bridge for him. I am building this bridge for this person. Young person. Okay, here this story we have finished. I will give you hard words. Okay, you write their meanings, synonyms, and antonyms in homework. Okay, till then, bye bye.